It is a little different when you're using your right hand as far as this drag over. Just a little different. I had a boo-boo. Again, you can fix the boo-boos with the tip end. And then I must say it is much easier using my right hand to go to the inner corner than over there. That's just a hair longer. And it's not quite as close to the lash. There we go, because I can see the skin. There. That evened it out. Whoops, that didn't go all the way in. Again, do you see how I'm able to use the tip end? That's pretty even, I think. Love this product, Tarteist. The Tarteist. Okay, so that is the look. I'm going to let that dry and then do my mascara. What are your thoughts on this palette, y'all? I still like it. I would use this palette. Like, I'll continue to use this palette. Do y'all like this? I like it mainly because it is a face palette. It does have a mirror on it, which the Maybelline does not. But the Maybelline one's plus is that it's smaller. It can fit in your purse if you needed to touch up later. The only strike against this, really, because anything has a little bit of fallout, is these two face colors must be for someone who is much darker. Because if you're pale, you generally have a bluer or neutral undertone. And so these would only do good on someone who's tan or African American, in my opinion, because they're just too melon color. Like, it would look too orangey on me. And even when I added Honesty, it still was more of a peach, which peach is fine. Peach is a good blush color. I'm thinking I may add a little more right on the apples, like right in the front, and just see. It looks a little more sunny. What about that? Did that add enough to kind of look a little more sunny? What do you think? That's kind of my end look then. Just give me your comments below. Do you like this one? Or do you like one with a little bit more of pink tones? This also has warm tones. If you look at this, that's... Well, no, I would say these are cool tones. This is cool tones. This is warm tone. What's your favorite? Let me know. Because I am fast putting together our little package. And I need to go ahead and get it out there because y'all know I take forever. I do. I take forever to get the thing complete. So where are we on the video? We are into part 3. Well, if we're that far in, then I need to go ahead and do some more stuff. So, one of the things that I thought about doing today, this is a bit summery. It's so, what's the word? Fluorescent. And that is the Malibu Job from Floss Gloss. Yeah. Remember when I got the Chanel? This is the color I prefer, but this is matte, and I don't like the matte finish. But what I could do is put a gloss finish on top of it when I'm finished. So I was thinking about switching to this. What do y'all think? These colors to me are a little more summery. This is kind of a melony pink, and that is almost a fluorescent pink, which is a little more summery. I don't know. Spring flowers are very bright. This concealer is already really laying heavy into my creases. But I feel like if I used dusting powder, it would have made it worse, not better. We could do one side. We could do my right side and just see. Let's do that. I've got Bye Bye Pores, which is a pressed powder that can be used for this purpose. So let's just do it. but only under my right eye. And let's see how this looks towards the end of the day. And see, do I look more or less